in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your photo into an anime character. Now, this is actually really easy to do. We're just going to head over to the Canva website and select Create a New Design, and then go and select a blank template for your design. Now, in the left-hand navigation, click on Uploads, and then just go and upload the photo that you want to turn into an anime character. Now, I already have a photo uploaded here, so I'm just going to be using this one as a demonstration. And once you have your photo uploaded, you just need to place it into your document like this. Then from the left-hand navigation, scroll down and click on Apps. And then using the search box, we're going to type in Animeify, which is spelled Animeify, and hit enter. And then just click on this Animeify tool, and then just click on Animeify and replace. Now just wait a few seconds while it goes and turns your photo into an anime character. And just like that, you can now see this is the image that has been created, so we can resize this to fit the screen. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.